Okay, so let's assume that there are two identical 10-kilogram spheres like this, and the rod is subject to a couple moment that is applied by something in here. Maybe you turn it, or there's a motor or something like that, okay? And that is 8 times t. That t is in seconds. And the question is, find the speed of the spheres when t equals 4 seconds. And it starts from rest. And there is no gravity in this direction. Gravity is going into this surface, okay? So gravity is like a vertical. So we can just apply what we learned, the conservation of angular momentum. And that is summation of 1 plus is summation of, all right? And it said it starts from rest. So we don't have any of that here, right? And we can just do 0 to 4. Moment of force or torque is 8t dt. And that is going to be R cross mv, right? And because these are all perpendicular, we can just do 0.5 times mv. M is 10 kilogram times, what's v? V is what we want to find out, right? V, right? And because we have 2 of them, we have to put 2 there, because it's a summation of all angular momentum. So we just found the angular momentum of this guy here, and we have 2 of them, so we just multiply 2. So if you just do the math, this is 4 times 4 squared, and it's gonna, oh, I just forgot about one part here. My apologies. This is going to be actually plus from 0 to 4, 2 times 10 times 0.5 of dt. Like that. If we solve the equation, so V is going to be 10.4 meter per second. Okay, so we just have applied this conservation of angular momentum, and we can find the velocity like that.